Good morning, students. Today we are going to see how to create a mail merge document using MS Word. Mail merge is a feature that is available in Microsoft Office Word. So this feature helps us to send a same letter to a different peoples, to different a large number of peoples. So for this purpose, the mail merge is used. So for sending a single letter to multiple addresses, we no need to type the addresses or content of the letter again and again. So with one source document, we can use this feature. So it is a mail merge. So for merging, we need two types of documents. One is the source letter and another one is the address document. So these two documents will be merged and individual letters for the addresses will be created. So this is the mail merge and it is economical and also it saves a lot of time. So let us see how it works. As I said before, the mail merge needs two different documents. That is, one is the source document, that is the letter draft, and another one is the data source, that is the address details. So we can use this mail merge in both in emails and also in letters. So we can send it an email with the email addresses. For that we need the data sources, email addresses of the recipients, and if we need individual letters means you need data source as a postal address documents. So these are the things we need. So these two documents will be merged and the output will be given as individual letters with the addresses that is given in the data source. Now I'm going to explain about the practical procedures for creating a mail merge using MS Word. Now we are going to create a letter that is to inform about the change of address of a company to its customers. This is what we are going to create today. So for this we are going to draft a single letter and we have to add addresses of multiple customers to a single letter and we are going to create a mail merge. So for this I have opened a Word document today. So here first we have to draft a letter. So I'm going to type a letter. Okay. So now I have typed the letter. So I have typed the from address here, but I didn't type any to address. Just I left the area blank, and I didn't type any greeting line also. So this also we are going to insert with various addresses. So after drafting the letter, just click on the mailings and start mail merge. In the start mail merge, select the letters option. Okay. So next we have to add the recipients list. So here is an option called select recipients. In this we have three various options. That is one type. First one is type a new list. Second one is using an existing list. And next choose from Outlook contacts. So if you have your contacts in your Outlook, so you can just add directly from this. Or if you are having any list of customer addresses in Excel sheets or Word document, anything, you can insert from this option. But now I'm going to type a new list. I'm going to create a new address list. So that's why I'm clicking this option, type a new list. So here the various options available here. So, okay. So we can choose whatever we want. So I'm choosing the title. Next first name I'm going to type. So the last name, company name we don't want. So I don't want because I'm typing the addresses of customers only. So there is no need of company name. So then address. So I am typing the address of the client, address of the first client I am typing. Okay. So this much of details is enough for me. That is the name of the client with title and address line 1, 2 and city name. This is enough for me. So next, after I finish the details of the first person, just I'm clicking the new entry option. So to create the next entry. So likewise, if you want to delete any other details, means you can use this delete entry. Just select the uh, data and click delete entry. So click yes, it will be deleted. So likewise, I'm going to create a 4 addresses for the customers. Okay, I have typed 4 different addresses here. Okay, 4 addresses and I'm clicking OK. So the address will be saved. We have to save this addresses as a document. So I'm saving this in a desktop. So you can save it in any of your um, okay. So we have successfully created the recipients list. Now we have to add the address block. So there are 2 options available to add the address. One is address block option and another one is insert mail merge field. So if you want to add the address block as it is, whatever we have typed, we have to add means. So you can add like this. That is insert recipient's name in this format. There are various other options available to inserting the name of the recipient. So we can choose from this. One is just name. So you can see the preview here. So just name alone without any title or surname or initial. So next name. So this is the name with the title. Okay. So I'm selecting the name with title. So this one I'm selecting. So here there is an option called insert company name, postal address. That is, um, we have to check this one. We have not entered any company name, so this is not needed. Just insert postal address option. We have to check and click OK. So here the address block will be created. Okay. So I'll show the preview. You can view the preview here. The address have been entered, isn't it? Okay. So if I don't need this means there is another option called. So if you don't want to type insert all the details that you have entered means you can use this option mail insert merge field. So here we can add title. So next, so this is in the preview page. Okay. Okay. So insert mail merge field. First title I am adding. So after the title I need first name. So after the title I'm adding the first name. So I need a space and I'm adding the last name here. So next I need a comma and next in the next line I'm inserting the company name. So company name we have not yet created. So address line 1 I'm inserting. Create insert. So next address line 2 I'm inserting. and city I'm inserting. So just closing the, so I want the address line 1 and address line 2 in the separate lines. So I'm adding a comma, the next line enter. Likewise also you can add. Okay, so I'll show you the preview. So in the preview it will be like this. Okay, so close the preview, click this again to close the preview. So then we have to add the greeting line. So greeting line, there is an option to add the greeting line. So here we can add it as like this, dear sir or madam. So this line will be added uh, to every letter, to address of every to every addresses it will be added. So if I don't want like this, means I can use to or dear or anything else. You can even create your own line here. Okay, so I'm using the dear option, dear, the name with title, or again you can choose whatever you want, the name with title or name alone. So like that, dear, I'm selecting the name without any title and a comma. So I'm adding this greeting line. So let us check the review, sub preview. So dear Rahul R, we are happy to inform you. So here it will be like this. So okay. So while seeing the preview, I'm okay. So after the checking preview and after you feel everything is fine, just I'm clicking the finish mail merge option. So here, if you want to review the other addresses, you can use this buttons. So to second address, this one is third address, fourth. So 4 address we have typed. So after all checking the preview, we can just click the finish mail merge. So here there will be 3 options: send email, print documents. This is used to print, this is used to send everything to separate email address, and this is to create individual documents. So edit individual documents, I'm clicking and select all the records. So here, so look at this, 4 pages have been created for each addresses separately. Okay, so 4 letters have been created from a single letter with 4 different addresses. First is to Rahul, second one is to Anu, so the third letter is to Mr. Suresh, and fourth one is to Ms. Divya. So these are the letters created using mail merge. This is the procedure to create a mail merge document using MS Word. Thank you, students. So today we have seen about how to create a mail merge. That is how to create multiple letters to different addresses from a single letter using the MS mail merge. So mail merge from MS Office. And thank you, students. Let us meet in a different video another time. Thank you.